Good morning, dear students. Welcome to EduStar's online class. You're watching Class 4 Science. Today, we will see revision for Lesson 5 Food and Digestion. This is part 1. Do you remember, kids, what we have learnt in Lesson 5? Let us discuss. Our body works all the time when we run, walk, or talk. Some parts of our body keep working even when we are asleep. Like our lungs and heart, our body requires energy to do all this. Food gives us energy to work. It acts as like fuel for our body. It keeps us warm and releases a lot of energy. It also provides us with materials required for the growth, repair, and general health of our body. What is food made up of? Nutrients. The food that we eat contains substances that help our body to grow and stay healthy. These substances are known as nutrients. The nutrients present in food items are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. What is carbohydrates? Carbohydrates give energy to our body. Food items like fruits, vegetables, bread, idli, sugar, and cereals contain carbohydrates. Food items rich in carbohydrates are known as energy-giving food. People who do a lot of physical work like laborers and farmers should consume food rich in carbohydrates. Proteins. Proteins help us to grow. They also build muscles and repair damaged part of our body. Food items like milk, eggs, meat, fish, curd, cheese, nuts, beans, and pulses contains proteins. Food items rich in proteins are known as bodybuilding food. Growing children need proteins as they are still growing. The next one is fats. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. They also keep our body warm. Food items like oil, ghee, butter, and nuts are rich in fats. Food items rich in fats are known as also energy-giving foods. Our body needs very little fat. Extra fat is stored in our body for future use. The next one is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help us to stay fit and healthy. They protect us from diseases. Food items like fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, and meat are rich in vitamins and minerals. Food items rich in vitamins and minerals are known as protective foods. Our body needs vitamins and minerals in small amounts. Vitamin A, B, C, and D are examples of vitamins. Vitamin A keeps our eyes and skin healthy. Papaya, carrot, and leafy vegetables are rich in vitamin A. Vitamin B is good for muscles and nerves. Vitamin C makes strong gums and heals our wounds fast. Vitamin D makes our teeth and bones strong. Fresh fruits, vegetables, fish and milk are rich in vitamins. Calcium, iodine, sodium and iron are examples of minerals. Calcium makes our bones and teeth strong. Food items like milk, cheese, curd, paneer, and almonds are rich in calcium. Iron helps in the formation of blood. Food items like green leafy vegetables, carrot, beetroot, apple, and meat are rich in iron. The next one is water and roughage. Water is essential for our body to stay healthy and function properly. Water also helps in the digestion of food. Therefore, we must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Roughage. Roughage is the fiber present in our food. It cannot be digested by our body, but it helps to remove undigested food from our body. It is important for the proper functioning of our digestive system. Whole grains, brown rice, salads, fruits and vegetables are rich in roughage. The next one is balanced diet. Do you remember what is balanced diet? The food that we eat is called our diet. A diet that has all the nutrients in the right amounts is called a balanced diet. All the food we eat can be divided into 3 groups. Energy giving foods, that is carbohydrates and fats. Body building foods, that is proteins. Protective foods, that is vitamins and minerals. We should eat variety of food items daily from each food groups to stay healthy. Cooking food. Food is cooked to make it soft, easy to digest and tasty. Cooking kills the germs present in food and overcooking destroys nutrients. Fruits and vegetables that we cook and eat raw should be washed properly. We use different methods of cooking food like steaming, frying, baking, boiling and roasting. Different food items are cooked by different methods. Idlis are steamed, puris are fried, cakes and biscuits are baked, rice is boiled, meat is roasted. Preservation of food. When vegetables are kept for a long time and not stored properly, they get spoiled. Spoiled food items are bad for our health. To prevent food items from getting spoiled, we need to preserve them. Preservation of food is a method used to keep food items edible for a long time. There are many ways to keep the food preservation. First one is refrigeration. Food is kept in the refrigerator to preserve it for some days. For example, fruits, vegetables, milk and cooked food are kept in a refrigerator. Next one is pickling. Fruits and vegetables are preserved with salt and oil. For example, vegetables like carrot, raw mangoes and green chilies are preserved with salt and oil. Next one is drying. Food is dried to preserve it for longer time. For example, grapes, vegetables and red chilies are dried. Drying of food items to preserve them for longer time is also called dehydration. Next one is canning and bottling. Food items are sealed in cans and bottles to preserve them for longer time. For example, jams, squashes and sauces are preserved by canning and bottling. Rest and exercise. Rest and exercise are necessary for good health. We should sleep for 6 to 8 hours in a day. Exercise helps us to stay healthy. It makes our muscles strong. Playing outdoor games like cricket, badminton, football, and handball makes our body fit. Okay, students? We have another one important topic, that is digestion of food. We will discuss in the next part. Now we will move into quiz time. We will discuss some question and answers. Shall we start? First one, fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, food items that which help us to grow and stay healthy, that is called nutrients or preservatives. Answer is nutrients. Food items that are rich in dash are called energy giving foods. Carbohydrates or vitamins. Energy giving food is called carbohydrates. Oil, butter, ghee, cream and cheese are rich in dash. Proteins or fat. Fat. Roughage is the dash present in some green vegetables, fruits and cereals. Fiber or nutrients. Roughage is the fiber. The process of treating food to prevent it from getting spoiled is called balanced diet or preservation. That is called preservation. Next one is drying is a method of preserving food by adding salt or removing water. Drying is a method to remove the water. Dash makes our bone and teeth strong. Calcium or carbohydrates. Calcium. Dash remove undigested food from our body. Roughage. Exercise makes our dash strong. Muscles or legs. Muscles. Dash are protective food. Proteins or minerals. Answer is minerals. Next one, name the following. First one, 2 sources of carbohydrates. Do you remember? Rice and potato. 2 examples of minerals, calcium and iodine. 2 examples of vitamins, vitamin A and vitamin D. A nutrient which gives more energy than carbohydrate is called fat. 3 food groups. Do you remember that? Energy giving foods, that is carbohydrates and fats. Bodybuilding foods, that is proteins. Protective foods, vitamins and minerals. Next one is match the following. Left side you have carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, preservation and calcium. Right side, prevent diseases, prevent food from getting spoiled, helps in formation of bones and teeth, butter, potato and sweet potato. First one, carbohydrates. The answer is potato and sweet potato. Fat, which one has fat? Butter. Vitamins, to prevent from the diseases. Preservation, prevent food from getting spoiled. Calcium, helps in formation of bones and teeth. That's it, children. A kind notice to the parents. Dear parents, the activity which I have given in the previous videos is not compulsory. If they are interested to do that activity, let them do. If you want to engage your child with that activity, ask them to do. So it is not compulsory. No need to complete the activity within a single day. If they are interested, take their own time. Those who are interested, let them do that activity. But worksheet is compulsory. You have to write for every lessons. I will check the worksheet. Okay, parents? Thank you, students. Have a good day.